Okay, so I'm gonna do a little bit of my nature dance that I do. A little bit, a little bit. No, I just make that up. I don't actually have a dance. I'm creating one. I'm creating one, but I don't have one right now. And I don't think it's something that I would share unless I'm gonna share it with like a very intimate group. But I thought that was cute. Um, what are your hobbies? What do you do? Do you go out in nature? Do you feel comfortable? Are you afraid? Do you go by yourself? Do you go with other people? What do you do when you come out here? Everybody's different. I do a lot. I mean, I can't say everything that I do out here, but I do a lot. I make sure that this tree right here, I make sure this tree right here recognize me. I make sure when I come out here, I leave certain energies and I can connect with certain energies that come back home with me. Okay, so I'm gonna walk around. I'm gonna start with the barefoot walking. I'll do a little bit of video on that. I don't want you guys talking bad about my feet because it's not polished and I am walking barefoot, so I got a little bit of dust. But hopefully, you're watching this video because you resonate with nature and you're not afraid of dirt. So let's get started.
Video we can fait.
Okay. Oh, pas là, t'es dit pour monter à Dina. Pas monter quand même.
Regardez, on met cette vidéo.
C'est justice. C'est dit toi oui. Le code là. Les gars, on va monter là.
Allez, encore plus, c'est justice. Tapez-moi là-dedans. C'est justice. Pourquoi que t'aimes là-dedans? C'est justice. Pourquoi mettre là?
Regardez ce one.
Regardez ce one. Pas monter ma comme, pas monter nous.
Pas comme monter non.
On est là.
Pas monter.
Moi tu te sens là.
Comme monter pas comme.
Bon lui là. Bon lui là.
Bon là.
Avec quoi?
What is it?
Bon téléphone non. Pas retirer sous pipi wan. Boy ko to no sel la mo.
Nuti.
Pas capter.
Meti bagala te amoni, meti la bagala la wakuti kamemu. Ni damna nuti ko ni senji tisi. Mbe bagala wabdiga hu muti kamemu.
Simba ka
E
monter.
bodia for this na kodla la wabdisa. Uba pombe. Kija for kide piwa te ala de make piate. You know I said that.